You know, unlike recycling, reusing doesn't require additional energy to convert a material to a new use. For example, these stones on the fireplace were found right here on the site. But recycling is still a great way to keep materials out of the waste stream and conserve new resources, like these cabinets that were made from recycled sunflower hulls. Pretty neat. Now, you know, at the Greenbuild Expo, we also found some pretty interesting sources like sorghum stalks, which were being converted into unique looking panels for use in cabinetry and furniture. But one of the coolest examples to me was the reclaimed wood.
Well, you know, wood is an inherently reusable resource, and all of us have seen where you're going down the road and a big excavator is just knocking down an old building, maybe built 100 years ago. And what we do at Terramai is we save that wood. It tends to be particularly special because 100 years ago the trees were all amazingly old growth trees. So we get wood out of factory buildings, we get wood out of railroad ties. If you look here, this is the classic gymnasium seat. And we've all sat on it, but what you don't realize is that it's actually amazing wood. It's all clear and eminently reusable, either as a siding or as a paneling product or as a flooring product. So part of our mission is to let people know that, let's reuse those woods. And with the wood that you get from Terramai comes a story.
You know, the story behind the wood is cool, but old wood like Ken's describing is inherently stronger and more stable. So when you combine that fact with the cost of reclamation, you can expect to pay slightly more for most species of reclaimed wood. Now, oddly enough though, Ken says that the cost of reclaimed teak pretty well matches up with some newer hardwoods.